Hi, I'm Rachel Rojas from Miss McClamey's 7th period class, and I'm doing the light spectrum. And by light spectrum, I mean the visible light spectrum, not the electromagnetic spectrum. Let's start by asking a simple question. What is the visible light spectrum? Well, the visible light spectrum is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye. The light spectrum goes from 350 nanometers to 750 nanometers, or 400 to 790 terahertz. The colors that are visible are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, or Roy G, B, B. When light passes from one medium to another, for example from air to a solid, the different colors of light are affected differently. The violet shows the most and bends the most, red shows the least and bends the least. When colors are spread out, we can see the spectrum. The person who started our modern understanding of light spectrum was Isaac Newton, who contemplated the original thought of the visible light, which was that the prism would color light. Newton proved them wrong by putting a prism by a window, projecting the color of light, and then refracting them back together. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? It is thanks to the light spectrum. I can show you how. When the sun, or the white light, travels to Earth in a straight line unless something gets in its way, or the gas molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. Blue light is scattered the most because it travels in shorter, smaller waves. That is why we see blue most of the time in the sky. I have been talking so much about white light, you may be wondering what it is. White light is the light that appears to be white to the eye, composed of some combination of light frequencies in the red, blue, and green part of the spectrum. Some examples of white light are fluorescent light, infrared light, and the sun. Light from the sun is perfect white light. The sun may not appear white, but yellow because of frequencies in the blue range by the atmosphere. The reason we can see the 6 colors coming out of the prism is that we are so close to being able to see infrared light that when it bends or refracts at a certain angle, we're able to see it as visible light. Thank you for watching. I'll go on to the next portion of my experiment now. I'm Rachel Rojas, and we'll be doing a how to make a kaleidoscope project. What you'll need: 3 small mirrors, which I already put together, tape, wax paper, and pencil, marker or pen, scissors, and construction paper, which I have here. Okay, so step 1 is to make a kaleidoscope. Tape together 3 small mirrors in a triangle shape with the mirror side inward. And what I did, I taped together, I used duct tape, because you know I'm a girl, I like prettier things. And what I did, as you can see here, was take the mirrors, I put it inward, and I just taped it together to keep it in and secure. Okay, so the second thing we're going to do is stand the mirrors up on a piece of wax paper and trace around the bottom of the mirrors. So okay, and cut out the triangle shape. And it'll come out like this. Okay, and then you just tape it to the piece of wax paper and place it at the bottom of the 3 mirrors. So where's the beginning? There you are. Of course. Oh well, that'll work. And it'll end up looking like this. So this is the inside. That's what it'll look like. Okay, so the next part is cut out many small pieces and shapes from colored sheets of construction paper and drop them inside the mirror. So you can do whatever shapes you want. I actually pre-cut these over here. As you can see from my construction paper, I made some hearts. You can just do whatever. You can just rip off some sheets of paper, and I'm gonna make some more. Okay, so we drop these in here. And then all what you have to do now is give your kaleidoscope a little shape and then look inside and you'll see some interesting patterns. And the mirrors will just reflect, because there's 3, it'll make a bunch of reflections of the patterns that you shaped up. So, shaping it up right here. Ooh, that dropped. Okay, whatever. Okay, and now look at this. And that's the end of my project. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Bye. Was it good?